Okay, today I am in Sperry, Oklahoma, and this is the filming location for The Outsiders. This is the gas station that was featured in the film, and they did a really great job preserving this. And it's almost like a miniature museum. I'm gonna go around the windows here and this drugstore right over here. This is a Rexall store that was also in the movie. I'll check that out in a minute. But yeah, they did a really great job preserving this place. Pretty neat. I love these old gas stations. They're so iconic of, roadside America and whatnot. And here's a little plaque. You can check them out on Facebook. They have pictures of this. Let's see. Oh my goodness, there's open. Oh wow. Wow. Well, that's cool. I'm shocked that this is open. That is so cool. I'm glad they're able to preserve this. Well, there you have it. All right, well, I think that's a pretty complete view of this here. And then let's go over to this Rexall. This is kind of interesting too. It's by what they call the Osage Prairie Trail. This used to be railroad tracks, so you can literally walk. This is quite a ways north of Tulsa, where I'm standing right now, and this trail used to be a railroad line, and if you can see, it goes way off in the distance. Well, this way, you can literally walk all the way through Tulsa on this old rail line that they picked up and paved it over, which I thought was pretty neat. So we're talking about many miles. I mean, you can go like 20-30 miles on this trail if you were to want to ride your bike or walk it. I kind of want to get a bicycle and take that tour one day. All right, let's see here. It's really nice that they're able to, the city's able to find people to invest in these things, because it's really a shame to let them go to waste if they fall on hard times. So I thought this was pretty neat. Here they have some Outsiders memorabilia and whatnot. Let's take a peek inside.
How are you today, sir?
Good. How you doing? Interesting. Yeah, it's a cool little spot. A lot have to come back here sometime. They got all kinds of little memorabilia going on. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.